stop wasting time searching for the right key. This premium heavy-duty equipment set has everything you need in one place. With 55 precision-cut keys, this master set fits top brands like Caterpillar, John Deere, Komatsu, Volvo, Bobcat, Kubota, and more. Built from high-quality, wear-resistant materials, these keys are designed for reliability and durability, even in the toughest job site conditions. For quick identification, each set includes a QR code for instant access to a full digital key guide, saving you time and frustration. Several spare keys are included in the 55KS kit, including number 3, a Bobcat, number 10, a Heister Forklift 166, number 29, a Komatsu 787, 11P, a Cat 5P 8500, 21P, a common John Deere, number 22P, Hitachi X H800 JD, and 31P for a Volvo or Samsung. These spares ensure uninterrupted operation in case of key loss. The unique design of the grid keys ensures anti-slip properties, and keys 37, 38, and 39 are crafted from high-quality aluminum, making them lightweight and easy to use. Whether you manage multiple machines or work across construction, farming, or industrial sites, this key set keeps you efficient and ready to go. Download the app from iOS or Google Play to purchase the key set exclusively at a discount price. The premium heavy equipment key set is durable, organized, and built for professionals who don't have time to slow down.